Hey everyone, my name is Neil and welcome back. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video because I just checked and saw that I have this 100K plaque and I'm super excited to look at it. So this is not going to be a long video. Basically, we're going to be doing the unboxing. I'm going to let you know at the end what plans we have coming up for the channel, so go ahead and stay tuned for that. And then we're just going to unbox it. I've been waiting for this for a long time and I know you guys have been as well, so let's go ahead and do it. Always be safe. Got a little box cutter there. So this is the first time I've ever unboxed something like this before, so I have no clue what to do. I'm just super excited. It's a very nice packaging that it comes in. I like it. The first line here says, "Do you remember your first subscriber?" And I do. And that was a very interesting time because I was super nervous about posting the first time and didn't know whether or not my stuff would do okay, and it didn't. True fact, it did not. My first video probably got like 5 views and 4 of those were mine. One was my first subscriber, and yeah, so they give you a nice little card too that says congratulations on your subscriber milestone. I've seen a lot of these unboxing videos. I remember maybe 2 months ago, I saw my first unboxing video when I was getting close to 100K, and it was so exciting to see that lady get her plaque. And I remember she started crying, and then I found myself getting super emotional, like, wait, this is surreal. So this is very, very nice. I'm gonna show the camera. Yeah, it's very, very. I've thanked family, I've thanked friends. Right now, I kind of want to just thank me a little and talk about what it's like to create DIY content. It's not easy at all. It's a lot of hard work. For me, I do all my design work in-house, all my building in-house. I don't have a ghost builder, so it's just me. There's a lot of hours in that garage just building, running into issues, problems. You don't see half the footage that we end up taking, but I do run into a lot of issues, and it's not easy, but it's fun. I love it. I love every minute of it, and that's why I started posting. Because I just wanted to share what I was learning with other people who, want to do DIY stuff and own homes and apartments and everything. There are tons of projects that you can do yourself. If you ever feel like you want to start posting, that'd be great. You should do that. There's plenty of room for everyone. I'm sure the trolls will just love that. But this video is not about them. It's about us, and just grinding every day, working really hard. I'm super thankful for this 100K plaque. It's very nice and beautiful, and I didn't want to take up too much of your time. I just want to show the unboxing, and I did promise in the beginning of the video that I would be unveiling some new stuff that we have coming up in the channel specifically for 2023. So we will be having a town hall video closer to the end of the year for Q4, but I just want to give you a couple things that have been on my mind for upcoming stuff. So we have some pretty exciting projects coming up. We have a closet remodel that we're going to be doing, so stay tuned for that. We're also going to be doing a coffee table because I need one. And then the next project that we have coming up actually is a bread box that I'm going to be releasing sometime here in the next couple of weeks. I just need to edit that. So this is a one-man band. I build, I design, I edit, I shoot, I direct, I write. So hopefully in 2023 we could help delegate some of those tasks, but for now I'm doing them all on my own, and respond to comments. I love responding to comments. You guys have such great questions, so keep doing what you're doing. And then just to let you know, so I did come up on shorts, right? That's basically how I got the 100K. I didn't post much long form content. It was mostly short form content, like 99% short form content. I've seen the analytics. So, but we do also do long form videos. Right now I'm gonna display something on screen. if you want, just take some time watching these videos. We have one here that I like a lot. It's the simple 3-hour workbench where we picked up and went to Home Depot, and with no design, no planning, we just bought and built. And that's what I want to do. I want to do more buy and build series. But in order to do that, we need the channel to grow and fund and hit that watch time. We're still not there yet. We're short of the 4,000 hours watch time. So if you guys could help out, that'd be great. Yeah, this is exciting. I never dreamed when I first went out there that somebody would be interested in my content. I say that a lot, but I really do mean it. I never expected anyone to hit the subscribe or follow button. So I appreciate that. And we got more shorts coming up as well. It's a great community, and more long form content as well. Okay guys, so I just want to give you a snippet of what we have coming up. Let me know down in the comments if you would like to see some stuff built, or what you would like to see built. It's really hard to take requests right now. Like I said, all these projects are funded by me. So if we can't build them, at least I can talk to them, maybe give you some pointers and tips and tricks on where to get started. But let me know down in the comments. Also, I just again want to thank you guys so much for hitting that like and follow button, all the comments, everything. I would not be in the spot if it weren't for you. So I appreciate that very much. All right, until then, I'll see you guys the next time I decide to hit the upload button. Bye.